Unlinking a layer from its mask is super simple in Affinity once you know how. So in Photoshop, you have the link icon between a layer and its mask. You click it, you're unlinked and you're good to go. But in Affinity, it's slightly different. So to do this, what we have to do first of all is hold Command or Control and click on this circle. And let's hide this. Select our Husky layer or whatever image you've got and just add a layer mask. Now let's deselect with Command or Control D. And if I select the Husky layer and just move this around, you can see the mask and the image move together. And if I go and select the mask that is inside the Husky layer, I can now move the mask around. As you can see, there's no image either side, so it's kind of cropping off. But how do I move just the Husky whilst keeping the mask dead center on the artboard? Well, to do this, what we have to do is select the Husky layer or your image layer, whatever it is, and look for this option up here, Lock Children. That's kind of funny. And now that I've done that, because the mask is effectively a child of the Husky, I know this is getting confusing, bear with me, the mask is effectively now locked. And this could be adjustment layers and other things as well. Whatever layers are effectively a child of the parent, which is a Husky. God, this is confusing. Anyway, long story short, now we can move the image around and we could go and adjust the crop. For example, whoa, steady on there. Where are you going, son? Okay, that's the crop we're going with. Oh, that looks so weird. So now I can freely move this around and the circular mask is staying exactly where it is. And then if I go and check Lock Children again, what I can do now is then move this around and you can see the layer and the mask once again move around together. And I'm really sorry, I've just got to do something that is slightly childish. What is that? But yeah, Lock Children, that's how you do it.